Let's talk about Supabase, the open source backend platform that's quickly becoming the go-to choice for modern developers. If you've ever wished your backend could just handle itself, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Supabase is our backend as a service. That means it gives you production-ready backend features right out of the box. A full Postgres database, authentication, serverless functions, file storage, all integrated, all instantly available, and all without spinning up a single server yourself. When using the official SaaS offering, you can definitely host it yourself. See the link to my video above. Your front end simply connects to these services. If you've used Firebase before, this will look familiar. But Supabase isn't just a copy. It fixes one of the biggest limitations Firebase has: the database. Supabase is built on Postgres, a powerful relational SQL database. You get structured tables, rows and columns that scale beautifully. Firebase uses a NoSQL document system that's flexible, but can get messy fast. With Supabase, your data stays organized, queryable and reliable from day one. Because it's SQL powered, the Supabase client uses clear, SQL-inspired commands. If you already know SQL, you'll feel right at home. And if you're new to it, that's fine too. Supabase includes built-in AI helpers right inside the dashboard that can generate, explain and correct your queries instantly. It makes learning SQL surprisingly smooth. But the real magic of Supabase goes beyond features. It's the philosophy. Supabase is entirely open source. Every component, every service, every part of the platform. You can inspect the code, understand how it works and even run the entire stack yourself. That means complete freedom, complete transparency and zero vendor lock-in. To be honest, this is not fully true, because certain features like management dashboard and others are exclusive to the software as a service variant. With Firebase, your backend is logged to Google's infrastructure. With Supabase, you decide where everything runs. Your own server, your preferred cloud provider, or of course the official hosted Supabase platform. The flexibility is unmatched. So, how to get started? Most beginners start with a simple CRUD application. Create, read, update and delete. These 4 actions teach you exactly how your app talks to the database. A basic example might be loading items from your database and displaying them in your user interface. Supabase handles every interaction through a clean, intuitive JavaScript client. Add new items, update existing ones, delete old entries. Everything syncs smoothly through the API. And yes, it works in real time if you enable it. And the best part, Supabase is fully framework-agnostic. Whether you prefer React, Vue, Svelte, Next.js or just plain HTML and vanilla JavaScript, the workflow is identical. The client fits anywhere. To bring it all together, Supabase is an open source backend as a service powered by Postgres. It gives you authentication, storage, serverless functions, real-time capabilities and total deployment freedom. All in one unified developer experience, and also AI native functions like vector databases, which we did cover in this quick overview. If you're ready to create your first Supabase project and connect your frontend to it, jump into the next video where I show how to self-host Supabase. Thanks for watching. And if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and keep building amazing things.